We're at the Peter Madsburg Royal Show, and I thought I'd have a walk around on my gravity feed tractor mounted wood chippers. The one as a normal chipper, and then the other one which is a chipper with a grinder. This is the normal chipper one. Nick, if you want to just focus down there. It's on an A-frame which is uniform on both of the units. Okay, or your linking of the tractor on a skid, very solid, strong construction. Your PDO coupling, you're using 4 fan belts over here, B-section fan belts for the drive to the drum, which is a more than plenty. Okay, the discharge, we've got a flapper over there as well for, directing your discharge, 360-degree rotation. Okay, on the infeed over here, you've got your pin itself with a rubberized to stop anything from shooting back at you. And then if you want to just go in here, Nick. Okay, that's the throat itself. So obviously everything's got to fit into the throat. Okay. Okay. This is the chipping drum, which is used on all of our chippers. It's 12mm thick. It's got a bleeder over here in case water seeps in by mistake. If you haven't cleared, there's like a drainage hole at the bottom. If you haven't cleared it, water will collect in here, and then this will be sitting in water and it could seep in there and throw your balance out totally. Okay, so that will bring your balance back to where it should be. You've got block bearings, lubricating points on either side, nice and strong. These are the blades that we would be using, 2 of them. And you can sharpen them on both sides, and you can sharpen them up to 5 times. Okay. Chipper with grinder. Drum and everything exactly the same. We've got an inspection hole over here. If you want to open it up, if there could be blockage or anything like that, you can open it. This would be open. Then we got it. As a chipper, when you feed in your material, it'll go shooting straight out when this is open, obviously. And then if you want to grind, you would put it there and then obviously go through the grinder. Screen like this. A screen like this. And you've got these in 5 different sizes, from 8mm up to 20mm. Otherwise, as I said, everything exactly the same. The drive to the grinder, you've got a longer shaft carrying the chipper blade, drum, and then you've got 3 B-section belts which are driving the grinder itself. Okay, 12mm rule, and that is the black bottle. The drum will be chipping against an anvil which is at the bottom of the chipper drum itself in the stroke. This is the anvil. If you go down lower, you can see the width of it, etc. This is the widest one in the market. It's got 4 edges, so it's reversible 4 times. And if you can get underneath there, Nick, you'll see how we can set the. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, that's slotted and everything as well, so that you can set your handle.